deux, trois. Yang, yang, yang.
Hi guys, welcome back to
Our channel.
Today we are going to try the best chocolate ever in the world, and especially in Turkey. We got like some from Turkey and some are international. We have like Nutella, Milka, Kinder,
Doritos.
and every kind of sweets and even like chips to try together. So let's do our mukbang together, guys. Okay, drinks. This one or this one?
This one.
This one. We will start with this one, guys. This is what is it? Cherry.
Blueberry.
It's like it's not. It's cherry. Who starts?
You. Me?
Wait,
Yeah, me. Okay.
it's okay.
What? Do you love it?
Try first. It's not bad.
Do you love it?
It's not bad. It's not bad.
Yeah, it's not.
Today
bad.
it's not bad.
Yes,
Why?
I don't know.
It's really not. It's like it's kind of
Because it's not cold.
No, I don't think so. It's I can like taste the cherry, right?
It looks like between cherry and orange. I don't know. There's like
four
yes, limo, like limo.
yes. It's not bad. I will give it 7 out of 10.
6 out of 10. 8.
Oh my!
I choose this one.
A cookie with strawberry.
Cake.
Yeah, it's a cake with strawberries. And we got like a lot of different tastes. There's like this one as well.
Yes, it's strawberry.
And this one
one is
with
strawberry vanilla, and this one's strawberry chocolate, and the other I don't know.
Oh,
Where are
yeah,
they?
this one.
With chocolate and
And
blueberry
blueberry.
and
This one.
raspberry.
This one.
Interesting. Yeah, it smells good.
There is like it's like this one, guys. Small cookie to try.
Okay. Oh, that's interesting. Can we open?
I don't know. It kind of looks expensive.
Ooh. Interesting.
Ooh, chocolate.
It's beautiful.
Wow.
Yeah, it looks good.
Oh,
Oops. Oh.
let's try together.
Okay.
Let's try together. One, two, three.
So good. Yeah, this tastes good.
I give it 8 out of 10.
7 out of 10.
Don't tell me 9, please.
8.
Okay. Like chocolate with pistachio inside.
Like chocolate Dubai, I think.
Yeah, it's like Dubai chocolate. I can smell like the pistachio. Like, okay, let's try because I want to try. But the texture, I don't see any pistachio inside.
I see, look at.
There is not a lot. It's not like the picture.
No, maybe. It's not the same.
Okay.
1,
2, 3. There's a lot of sugar.
It's not the real taste of chocolate.
It's not the real taste of pistachio.
There isn't any taste of pistachio.
No, there is.
I don't feel it. I don't feel the crunch.
4. I didn't
not
like
good.
it.
It's not
Yeah.
good.
Me too.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Mmm. 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 Mmm.
Pistachio. The cream of pistachio.
Nearminster.
Yes. Your turn.
You don't remember something?
Yes! The rating. We missed the rating, so...
أكثر واحدة استنى فيها.
I give it. How?
I give it 8 out of 10.
7.9 out of 10.
9.
Yeah, it's good. It's good.
Nearminster.
Yay! Oh my god.
Yeah, it's really good.
That's right.
Okay,
1, 2, 3.
Mmm.
Oh my god. Wait. This is a marshmallow.
Yes, you can't understand the taste.
Wait a second.
Mmm.
Sure.
We got this one, guys. I don't know. Wait. Carrot juice.
Oh.
Oh.
Spicy purple.
Oh.
Fermented. What? What?
What? Wait, can I?
Don't say it, Nermin.
Can I open it?
Yes.
Wow. Oh, whoa, whoa. شهد قلالي.
That's absolutely bad.
Oh. Wait, I should try just a little bit. Wait.
This taste of carrots. كعرفتك اللي سفنيريا وزيتينها فلفل أحمر.
Okay, my sister eats ملكة الدراما. هتجرب هيك.
That's the best thing that you ever take it. You need to
Yeah,
try.
this is the
And-
Try.
And
I will give to someone $1,000 if he's gonna to try it.
exactly.
Okay, now you
Drink
have
it all.
Okay, drink it all.
I'll give it.
I swear to God that I can drink it all.
Mine's infinitive out of 10. It's so good.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
It's so
It's so
good.
worth it. And
Look
it's
at the
so
taste.
beautiful. The color, everything's
Yeah.
like matching.
Exactly.
And yes.
So
It's
good.
No
It's
comment.
literally
Wallah,
good.
let's move.
And like this sound.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
شراب عجبك مطعمه.
But you're I don't like this. Shall we correct Holland? I have in my room.
You have more.
I can smell coconut. Finally.
Oh.
It's
the
like coconut oil.
oil and
Yes, it
coconut
looks like
oil.
a coconut
Like
oil. The
oil.
smell, it's super good. It's super fresh.
I give it 7 out of 10.
Okay,
Thank you.
6 out of 10.
6.1.
You're tired?
Yeah.
I am tired as well because we got a lot of sweet, but we got this, the most expensive chocolate in Turkey. You
The
must
most.
try. It's like the best thing. It's like the dinosaur's eggs, but with sugar. Dinosaur, chocolate, eggs. Let's do it like this because there's like a lot. There is these. This one, the egg. This one.
Egg.
This
Also,
one, like mini egg, and this one is like red egg, and there is like the small.
It's like a rock, okay?
It's chocolate, guys. It's not.
There isn't really something special. Just sugar and all of that.
But I like the crunchy one.
The crunchy is sugar.
This is chocolate.
With white chocolate and milk chocolate. A lot of water.
I need to drink at least 10 liters.
ليه فما واحدة كيكة حمراء.
Country is just trying
Yeah.
everything in their convenience
حتى
store.
هي كده. Also this. Also this.
It's okay to try. It's okay because we live once, and even if it's like tasting like this, that's fine. At least you tried. That's it, guys, for today, and we will see you in the
Next
next
video.
video as possible as I can. See you guys.
See you.
Bye bye.
هذه عم تكري.
كرونا مالت كتجي تكلم مع صاحبي.